Newydd fod yn cael cyfarfod efo penaethiaid Cyngor Iechyd Cymuned y Gogledd ynglŷn â chynlluniau sydd gan Llywodraeth Cymru ar y gweill i newid y ffordd mae llais y cleifion, achos dyna ydy'r cynghorau yma, newid y ffordd mae llais y cleifion yn cael ei gynrychioli yn y dyfodol. What Welsh Government wants to do is to change the regime of community health councils which represent the patients Wales-wide, and my fear, their fear, is that the patient's voice is being weakened by the plans that Welsh Government has put forward, that there'll be a much weaker local representation of patients, that the access that they have to hospitals to make sure that they're working for our patients won't be as strong as the current regime. Now, the bill will be going through the Assembly in coming months. It needs to be changed. Unless it gives patients a stronger voice, well, why have a change in the law? So I'll be working carefully and closely with the CHC here. And hopefully we can get Welsh Government to change pretty fundamentally in some ways the proposals that it's put forward.